Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. It is the number 2 in the big book of the dinosaurs from National Geographic and Clarín, which is a newspaper from here. But before we get into this, guys, make sure you hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post anything new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also, guys, make sure to go on over and check out my awesome husband / cameraman's channel called Cosa's Cartooner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And well, guys, let's get into this. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's mosey on down here. Up at the top here we have the title of the collection, The Big Book of the Dinosaurs and the Prehistoric Life. And it is from National Geographic. And it is from here, Clarín, which is a newspaper from here, Buenos Aires, Argentina, where I live. And this is the Dimetrodon. It is the number 2 in this collection. One other thing I wanted to let you guys know, one common misconception about these guys is this is not a dinosaur. Dimetrodons are not dinosaurs. They are in the category of prehistoric life. They're not dinosaurs, but I'll get into that in a moment. We're gonna open this up. We have Dimetrodon here and a summary of the contents. And what's kind of interesting about these guys, you can see here, is that they had different types of teeth. The Latin name translated is two-measured tooth or two-measured teeth. And here it shows you the start of life. So it shows you from the Precambrian era to the Paleozoic. And also, guys, that is where the Dimetrodon lived, in the Paleozoic, in the Permian period. See here, it shows you that he was here in the end of the Permian period. And so, guys, a little interesting thing is that Dimetrodon lived lived and died before T-Rex, before mammals, before flowers. These guys were the be-all end-all. They were like the start. These guys are really cool. They are called reptile-like mammals. They're the in-between. Not quite completely reptilian, but not quite completely mammalian. So these guys are really interesting. But let's continue on. And also another thing that's really cool is that these creatures, the Dimetrodon, we are actually closer genetically to a Dimetrodon than, say, a T-Rex is to a Dimetrodon, which is really, really crazy. And here it just shows you the different eras. This is the Mesozoic. And it also shows you the different sub-eras. And here it shows you the Cenozoic, where we start to have early man and saber-toothed cats. And here it shows you a bit about the Cambrian period. You can see all these little crustacean things that would have been swimming around. And here we see a bit about the Ordovicico period. Got some trilobites in there. I always thought that those were kind of cool. These ancestors of octopuses. And then this shows a bit about the Sailorgamer period. Marine scorpion here. He looks pretty cool. He looks a bit to me like one of the creatures from Alien, or not?
The face colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like a cute one. Now, talking about cute, now that has a face only a mother can love. But here it talks about the Devonico period. So here is a bit of information about the Carbonifero period. These guys are cool. They were like giant dragonflies. Okay, so here it talks a bit about the Dimetrodon and its interesting shape. Over here you can see one of the big main features that you will always see first when you look at a Dimetrodon is this giant fan on their back. Now, paleontologists are not exactly sure what the fan was for, but it's believed that this fin was either used for a mating display or it was used to try to keep them cool. But it's not known for certain. But The skeletons of these guys have been found in a lot of different places. These guys were really well adapted to all kinds of different environments. And here it talks a bit more about them. And here it talks about their posture. Now, when it was resting, it would be like kind of a bit on its stomach, but when it wanted to go really fast, it would actually get all the way up and stretch out its legs and just run like this. Really cool. But going back down here, it talks about how they were at the top of the food chain for their time period. These guys would literally eat anything and everything, even each other. And we have this nice big picture of this Dimetrodon here. And this talks a bit about an ancient ocean that was discovered. And the remains of that. So here we can see many fossils of many different marine life from the Cambrian period. And here it talks about how they picked up the fossils. And here a picture from the exhibition. Well guys, that's the end of that. We have here the back cover, which shows us what the next in the collection will be. The next will be this one here. Okay guys, now it's time to unbox our new Dimetrodon. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have our Dimetrodon out of the box, and here he is. He looks really cool. You can see his big fin here. And also guys, one of the about the dinosaurs in this collection is that not only are their legs movable, see, all of them can move, but their mouths can move, that is. But look at this. He can stand on his own. I know maybe it's dumb, but I think that's pretty cool. So, and also you can kind of see what I was telling you guys before, that when they were like just chilling out, they would walk kind of like this. But if they were gonna go and they were gonna hunt, or they were going after some dinner, they would be like that. So that's pretty cool. And that just made them a lot faster. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And also guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that bell as well. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also guys, be sure to go on over and check out my awesome husband / cameraman's channel called Cosa's Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxing, lots of cool stuff guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the in cards. And well guys, have a great day. I will see you later. Bye!